Hello everybody. This is a solar powered typewriter. Seems pretty far-fetched. Actually, the power comes into the house from solar panels and a 24-volt battery bank, which is coming into the house here with this thick power cord. It's split off amongst other electronics, radio equipment, refrigerator, computer system, monitors, of course, with the peripherals and everything powered separately. So this is one group, that's another group, that's yet another group, including the battery and on top here and that lamp. Okay, so this particular power area is the computer environment. It's converted down from 24 volts to 13.8 volts. It also has the option to up convert from lower voltages to 13.8 volts. Over here is a power distribution area, and what I've done is connected this particular switch right there to the typewriter. And the way I did that is I added a power converter for 12 volts to 7.5 volts. That's what that little device is in the back, right in the center of the screen. So that is taking 13.8 volts and converting it down to 7.5 volts. So the voltage is fairly constant in a range of voltages. Okay, so what happens is the power coming out at 7.8 volts goes to this barrel type connector, and there's an extension cord on there, and that feeds into the back of this typewriter. Now, in this particular case, with Japanese electronics from the 1980s and forward, maybe even further back, this part here, the shiny part, is positive 7.5 volts, and on the inside is negative. So you have to be careful with that in terms of making sure that you have the right polarity. In this particular case, I had to reverse the polarity of some wires to make this possible, and I want to make sure that this cord is not confused for other electronics because I don't want to destroy them. So anyways, that's the result here. You can see a little bit of my transcript, which I thought I'd just kind of type it out. Let me get that to focus. This is not thermal fax paper, but medical paper that's used for EKG machines, and it works nicely with a thermal typewriter, and everything's working nicely. It's feeds in here nice, it prints nicely, it writes just like a typewriter would. Now the difference here is that this could be powered off of regular D-cell batteries, but why waste the time using that when you can make it powered off of solar power? Anyways, it's more like a stunt. You could attach this to a low power solar panel and down convert that voltage from it to 7.5 volts, but I think that would be pushing it a little bit on that voltage converter in terms of its range, because the voltage on a solar panel can go up much higher than 12 volts. It can go up to almost 18 volts in some cases, but it's not going to be tried here. Anyways, thanks for watching. Take care.